It is greetings from Little Flower Group of Institutions. I am chairman Little Flower Group of Institutions. Particularly, my wishes to Jubilee International Academy, to the head of the institution, Madam Radha Venkat, um, teachers, staff members, my beloved parents, and my wonderful small kids. My happy 75th Independence Day wishes, one and all. Now we know the kind of situation what we are all counting. That is nothing but the pandemic situation, and there is a real challenge to our health matters. So this time the GI is very conscious about coining the theme: "Make India free from any diseases, any pandemic situations. Make India completely free from this pandemic situation quite soon." You know that nowadays India is one of the country which is ensuring the fast recovery, and in a lot of situations, India playing its wonderful role across the world, for which we have taken the topic of Fit India and Healthy India, for which our children came forward to give the recommendations of doing wonderful exercises, okay, and as a compliment of Independence Day to everybody. And even on seeing that, I felt guilty that we are not doing that actually. So on seeing that, I had the promise of doing exercise on daily basis, what our children is giving recommendations for us. Okay, my appeal to each and every parent, staff members and children, you just to follow the recommendations given by us, by the students of Jubilee International Academy, and we should do on regular basis and ensure our fitness, ensure our health, and claim that India is the first country which is 100% free from this pandemic situation. Let us make a benchmark. Let this to be the token of advance of every practices recommended by Jubilee International Academy. By compliment to the particular two children who came forward to did all the exercises, accepting all the burdens, and also my sincere compliments to parents of that particular children, and also the teachers and everybody, those who are in the back of this scene. And once again, I wish everybody for the 75th Independence Day celebrations, and ensure your health, and ensure and support to Fit India, and ensure that the India is the first country free from this pandemic situation. Let us make free India from COVID. Wish you all the best. Bye.
Greetings from Jubilee International Academy. I am indeed happy to meet you one and all to extend my semi-sesquicentennial Independence Day wishes to everyone. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of our country to perform our duty and progress together towards the growth and well-being of our country. At this juncture, we from GIA would urge you to stay healthy and stay fit. I would call all the fellow citizens to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in our daily lives. Let's make our country free from diseases. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Elvin Ratna Singh, studying grade 4 in Jubilee International Academy. As India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day, we are elated to be in a country which is unique in all the respects. We as Indians would like to pay our tributes to a long chain of patriots who pledged their lives in defense of this nation, for freedom and for fair play, for peace and security, for the cause of justice. Independence Day plays a vital role in letting children like me know the past of our country and the selfless sacrifices by our ancestors for our freedom. Every state and union territory in the country unfurls the national flag on this day. Our Prime Minister hoists the flag every year on Independence Day and addresses the country from the ramparts of Red Fort. 75 years of independence, a semi-sesquicentennial year of celebration. Let's stand together for a better India. History tells us that when we stand together, when we unite in common cause, we emerge fruitful. During this tough time, let's unite together in beating this pandemic and spread positivity among the fellow citizens of this country. We would also love to remember India's millions of doctors, health warriors, sanitization workers, and frontline corona warriors. I salute the frontline warriors who have given their lives fulfilling their duty. This year has shown that how effectively we can cope with the most difficult crisis when we are all united. The past year has taught us health is wealth. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Jubilee International Academy, one of its kind IGCSE school, is proud to celebrate India's 75th Independence Day with a theme Healthy India, Fit India. Let's sweat it out to be healthy. Exercise 1. Warm up with forward and backward moves. This exercise forces the muscles to work harder, which increases the body's breathing rate, resulting in a greater supply of oxygen to the muscles. Exercise 2. Lateral moves. It improves circulation, making the body more efficient in removing the excess carbon dioxide that the body produces when exercising. Exercise 3. Alternative arm pull. This exercise strengthens the trapezius and deltoid muscles and keep our shoulders healthy. Exercise 4. Standing crisscross. While doing this exercise, the core muscles are strengthened and improves balance, and also the coordination of the body is improved. Exercise 5. Calf extensions. This exercise enhances your entire lower body performance and improves the strength of your calf muscles. It is also considered as the second heart of the human body. Exercise 6. Lateral arm rotation. This warm-up gets your blood moving and can help to build muscle tone in your shoulders, triceps and biceps. Exercise 7. Squat touches. Squats are a functional exercise that helps your body perform real-life activities and are one of the best and most natural ways of toning your body. Exercise 8. Alternate toe touches. This version of exercise is great for raising your heart rate, burning calories, and improving speed and balance. Exercise 9. Oblique crunches. This exercise provides key support for your spine and helps in building strong abdominal muscles and also improves the posture. Exercise 10. Reverse lunges. Reverse lunges involve a big movement which helps you increase your hips range of motion and make you more mobile. They stimulate your core area, helping to improve your posture and even prevent injuries. Exercise 11. Body extension. This exercise improves cardiovascular conditioning and metabolic rate. Exercise 12. Toe touch stretches. This exercise improves circulation of blood, making the body more efficient in removing the excess carbon dioxide that the body produces when exercising. Research studies across the world shows that people who are less physically active are more likely to contract diseases. Healthy India, Fit India. Keep exercising every day. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.